In today's video, I will show you how to animate an abstract 3D loop using Cinema 4D. Let's begin. Once you have Cinema 4D open, head over to the pen spline icon and select the rectangle spline. This looks good. Now I am going to change a few settings. For width, I will make that 200. And for height, I will do the same. I want the corners to be curved, so I will activate the rounding box. We can see how the edges of our box have curved. This looks good. I am now going to add another rectangle spline. Head over again to the pen spline icon and select the rectangle spline. For this one, we are going to make the width 90 and the height 90. I will also activate the rounding box. Now, for the radius, I will make 10. Once you have that ready, it's time to extrude them. So head over to the generator menu and select Sweep. Once in your Objects window, go ahead and drag both of your rectangle spline layers inside of it. Perfect! You should now have an Extrude curve box. I'm going to select the first rectangle spline I created earlier, which happens to be the exterior spline. I'm going to change the intermediate points to uniform. You can see how it made these polygons uniform and evenly spread. I will also increase the number of polygons to 20 so that I can have smooth curves. I will do the same for the interior rectangle spline. I'll make the intermediate points uniform and increase the polygon number to 10. It's now time to twist our polygon. Go ahead and select your sweep generator. Under its attributes, head over and select the details arrow. You will get these two graphs. One is for rotation and the other is for scale. These points control the start anchor and end anchor point of the spline. But I want to focus on the rotation section. I'll move these handles to have a straight line. Now it's time to create the loop animation. Making sure that I am in the first frame, I will go ahead and add keyframes for this one here and for this one as well. I'll now move to the end of my timeline. And now for the from value, I will make -360. And the to value, I will change to 0. I will now add keyframes for both. When I scroll through my timeline, I can see the animation take effect. I'll hit the preview button. I notice the animation slowed down at the end and then starts again. I want it to continuously move around and not slow down. So I will go ahead and select the end keyframe and I'll change the interpolation to linear. The same I will do for the first keyframe. I'll change the interpolation to linear. When I preview it again, we can see that it loops seamlessly. But let's say you want to change the thickness of your model. We can by going to the inner rectangle spline layer and reducing the width and height value to 50. And when we preview it, we still have our seamless loop. But what if I want to change the shape of it? Well, we can also change that. Go ahead and select the outer rectangle spline layer and go where it says radius. If I reduce it to 0, you can see it become a square. And if I increase it to 100, we get a perfect circle. And if we want to sharpen the edges, we can by going to the inner rectangle spline layer and change the radius value. If we reduce it to 25, we get a smooth edge. If we change it to 0, I get a sharp edge. Let me preview it. And there you have it. You now know how to animate an abstract 3D loop animation using Cinema 4D. If you would like to download this project file, head over to the Tutu's Gumroad page. You can find the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Till the next one.